This is the power transformer. It converts to 30 volts to 24 volts using diodes. The whole PCB is series rectifier. The capacitor is 470 microfarad. This is the voltage regulator, and this the 3 are voltage regulator. This is 7824. This is 7815, and this is 7812. It converts 12 volts output DC. It converts 12 volt. It converts 15 volts output DC. It converts 24 volt DC output DC. Okay, this is the sensors. This is the sensor. This is LDR sensor. This is LDR sensor. This is the LM35. It is used for temperature sensor. This is the Arduino board, the whole microprocessor of this kit. This is the LCD. This stands for liquid crystal display. And this is the 2-channel relay. This is used for 12 volt output DC to 230 volt DC output. It is used. This is the fan used for temperature sensor, and this is the light used for LDR sensor. The whole concept is when I go to the power supply, the light sensor is convert the light luminous intensity to the light, and the temperature sensor, it converts low temperature. When the above 50 temperature above 50, the fan is going to on. So let's start.
Head red.
ଯାଅ ଜାଣିଛି ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସକ୍ ହିଁ ଦେବ।
Okay, now the power supply is on, and the inverter is off. And the temperature is so 22.95. When I cover the temperature, LDR sensor, luminosity of the light is on, and it display inverter on, power supply off.
ଭଲ ମା
ଏଇଟା ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ତ पहुँच कर दे। The temperature shown is 15.14. When I give the temperature, it is
Chinese.
ఇప్పుడు देखा Chinese हो। ଏବେ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଦେଖେଇଦେବ ହେଇଗଲା। ଅନ୍ଧାର ହେଇଯାଉଛି। लाइट नहीं ये देखा temperature is shown 56.54, 52.73, temperature increases ଚାଇନିଜ୍ ହେଇଯିବ।
ଆସିଗଲା। ଚାଇନିଜ କମ୍ରେ ଆସୁଛି।
ଚାଇନିଜ୍ଟା ଆସୁଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଇଟା ଅନ୍ ହେଇଯିବ ଏକାଥରେ ଚାଇନିଜ୍ଟା ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ ସେ ସମ୍ଭାଳି ପାରିବନି।